So use the tools that you have. Don't hide them in your closet. Don't, be a producer instead of a consumer. We are wasting away our days on Netflix instead of creating something worthy of being on Netflix.
So good. I loved hearing you say that, being a producer versus a consumer because, oh, so true. I think when I first started building the holistic podcasting business,
Yes. Yes.
the core verse was arise and shine for your light has come.
So
And
good.
I honestly believe when I picture that, it's like light bulbs everywhere, lighting up all over the world. And we can sit in our little homes and hear and consume all of the things that are going wrong in the world and the darkness and da da da. Or we can flick on our light and be like, oh, I'm actually going to bring light into this space. And
Yes.
yeah,
Well, think
so
about I think it's Joshua and Caleb, right? The spies that went into for the promised land, and as they were evaluating it, they sent, I think they sent like 12 spies, right? But only two of them came back